Hello friends, welcome to Natural Beauty Hacks. Today I am doing beetroot lip balm. Okay, let's start. First take a beetroot and peel it. We are taking beetroot while it has red and it contains antioxidant. It helps to remove darkness on lips. See, it is red color. After peeling beetroot, cut it. See, take red. See this? Take a filterer. I'm taking full of this. I'm taking bowl and spoon. Press it like this. I take beetroot juice. I am taking now one container, cleaned container. I pour and take coconut oil. Why we are taking coconut oil? 1 spoon of coconut oil. It helps to moisturize the skin and remove cracks on lips. Take a Vaseline, 1 spoon. Why we are taking Vaseline? It helps to give smoothness the lips. I am taking vitamin capsules 2. You have big, take 2. You have small vitamin E capsules, take 3. Vitamin E capsules you have to use. Why? It helps to heal the skin and give smoothness. See this. And mix it well. You have to mix it. See this. Okay, after mixing, keep a cap. And keep half an hour in freezer. After keeping in freezer half an hour, see it. I am showing in my hand. it is pink color. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye bye.
Bye.